What's going on, everybody? It's Adrian with Brighter Day Detailing here, and in today's video I'm going to show you my mobile detailing setup inside my sedan. So for those of you looking to start your own mobile detailing business, you don't need to have a big water tank or a generator. I don't have any of that stuff. I've been doing this for about 4 years. I use my customers' water and their power, and I haven't had a single issue with it. So for those of you looking to start your own mobile detailing business, you don't need to have a big truck, a big van with a big water tank and a generator. This has worked for me, and I'm sure it can work for you guys. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what my sedan looks like when I'm going from jobs to all the stuff that I have inside my car on a daily basis. So let's get to it. So as you can see, my car is just a 2017 Chevy Cruze, nothing too big, nothing too small. And I'm going to show you guys how everything fits inside of it. So we'll start with what's inside my trunk. If you can see in here, I have my rigid vacuum, my Aqua Pro Vac with the hose there. I have an air compressor here. This is the DeWalt cordless air compressor, so there is no cord. And then I have my pressure washer down here with about 75 feet of extension cords. I usually bring, as much as possible. I usually only need about 25 feet because power is usually inside the customer's garage, but it's good to be prepared and have, as much as possible. So this is pretty much my trunk. It's full. I can maybe fit, one other thing in here, but this is usually what I have for the most part. So coming over to this side, I put the seats down, and this is my bin of chemicals. All my chemicals are in here. It's just a little bin here that can fit, a ton of spray bottles. So that's where I keep all my chemicals. And then I move this seat all the way forward and I put my wash buckets down there. So coming over to this side, I have a couple rags on the side here. My hose is at the bottom. It's an X hose. It's 100 feet. And sorry, my car is a little bit dirty right now, but I do work out of it. So that's a 100-foot hose there. It's always good to have, as much as you can. It's super portable, super easy, and it expands. In the middle, I have two toolboxes, one for interior detailing and one for exterior detailing. So a bunch of brushes, wheel brushes, interior brushes, some gloves are in there, some other, leather conditioner, some, specialty products that I keep in there also. And then this is my rag bin. I have a bunch of window rags, interior rags, exterior rags, some chamois are in there also. And then my drill brush. It's a DeWalt drill also, battery powered. So that's, it's perfect for shampooing seats and whatnot. So that's pretty much all I can actually fit in here for the most part. As you can see, my car is full, but no generator, no, water hose also. It's, just pretty simple. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Leave them down below in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.